friend, I hope you're doing well today. Today's video is an unboxing of something that I bought on Facebook Live. So I think over the Thanksgiving holiday, I started watching lives on Facebook. And I think before that, I didn't even know what they were. This that I purchased is from a makeup and accessories page, I guess. Her name is Dana, and her page is called Dana's Makeup Lounge. I will link it down below for you. She does not know that I am doing this. She knows who I am, but she doesn't know that I'm making this video. She does different things like throughout the year. But for New Year's, she did a New Year, New You bundle. So she does bundles a lot. And you could pick basically any price range you wanted, starting from $75 going up to whatever you wanted. And she would make a bundle for you. And you always get everything below retail. So I either did 75 or 100, I don't remember, and I don't know what's in here. I think I gave her some ideas. I sent her on Facebook Messenger, but I don't remember what I told her now. It's been probably a good month because she doesn't do them like right when you purchase it. It's been a while since I did that. Now, she also does like claims and bids and stuff on her page, so it's fun just to go and watch. Like, she'll put together like a whole big makeup bundle and people can bid on it, and then the higher it goes, the more stuff she'll put in it. It's fun. It's really fun. So I will link it down below for you. So the elephant in the room here is I don't have any makeup on, and I was like, you know what? I want to do this unboxing. I don't feel like putting makeup on. I put on some hair. This is Alexis by Renau, but I did not feel like putting on makeup, so there you go. This is what the package is here. So I can tell that it's bundled pretty nicely. There's some padding down in there. The other side has my address on it, but this is how it looks. I'm just gonna start pulling things out at random. Okay, so she sent a little headband. She usually does send these. They're super soft, and people love her headbands. I don't know where she gets them, but they're really, really soft. I actually already have one because I won a claim. It was a claim. So she put together a bundle, and she would say, the first person who says or who types this will win this bundle for X amount of dollars, whatever. So I think I won 2 ColourPop small palettes, and one of these, a Bath & Body Works tub of lotion, and there were a couple other things, but I don't remember what they were. But anyway, so this is my second one. Oh, nice. Luxie Defined and Blend brush set. So I'd actually been wanting to try these because she had shown a huge set of Luxie brushes, and they were like $400. I'm pretty sure it was like $400 for this big thing of Luxie brushes, and I'd never heard of them, but they look really, really nice. So let me open these. Wow, these are really pretty. Like, the handle is kind of wooden. Do you see that? Really, really soft. So 4 brushes. It looks like a foundation, like a paddle brush, and then this will be more of a blending brush here, and then maybe, I don't know, concealer or something. Crease brush, precision crease. This one is large eye blending foundation brush for that one. Next is just a little notebook. So she'll usually put in a couple of things that are, she calls them filler items. They're cheaper, but it makes you feel like you're getting a little more. So just a little notebook. Ooh, next is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. So I have not tried the Pat McGrath mascara yet. Thankfully that didn't have sequins in it, because usually they do. All right, so this is a little mascara, so I'm glad to try that since I've never tried it. Okay, I was hoping for this because she talks about this blending brush all the time. I don't know where she gets it. It's a little like kabuki brush, and I've seen her, sometimes she'll go live and do her makeup, so I've seen her use it. Holy moly, that is so soft. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, that's so soft. And because of the way it's shaped and the density of the bristles, it really makes the foundation go on really quickly. So I'm super duper excited about this one. Next is a little bag with the eyelashes on it. Don't know what's in here. A little brush. I don't know if there's a brand, but it's a double-ended brush. Cute. Oh, a Sonia Kashuk brush. This is the blush brush. I kind of need another one of those. I don't have a Sonia Kashuk one, but I do have one that's tapered like that I really like for blush, but I've been using it like for a really long time. A beauty sponge. I don't know this brand of highlight. Hendayan. I don't know what that is. Oh, cute. It's a little heart. It's just a white highlight. So white enough for me because it's pure white. Kylie Jenner lipstick, which I've never had a Kylie Jenner lipstick. This is in the color Butterscotch, but definitely a pretty color. Smells pretty good, almost like a MAC lipstick, almost. And a KK Beauty cream lipstick. This is in the color Pink 5. So this is the box. That's really pretty. I know I'll like this color. And a little pair of earrings. Those are cute. Oh, nice. I think I kind of needed some of these. Like a pair of the lashes, the lash tool that you can put your lashes on with. Yeah, cool. And then also, I was hoping for one of these, a diamond pin. So super duper cute. Just a pin with a diamond on the end of it. Just one of those little blingy things. So that's all that was in this little bag, but I really like that bag. How cute is that? Oh, cute, a little pair of socks. Cozy socks. Okay, I think this is the last thing. First of all, we have the Smith & Cult. I haven't had anything, I think I've had a lip gloss from Smith & Cult, and I've had a nail polish, but I've never had an eyeshadow palette. So this is in the color Dusk Blaze. That's pretty. Those are pretty colors. I think you can do a lot with those. Okay, at the bottom it says, and I mix and I match and watch as I shift. So I guess you can mix any one of those colors with that shift there and it will change the color. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably use that on Monday. Cool, this is a Huda Beauty palette. This is the Nude Rich palette. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those colors. Ooh, wow. Those are gorgeous colors. Such a pretty palette. And the last thing is a Matte Art Library. This is in the color Nude Model. These are really pretty too. Some of these are such good everyday colors. There's sandstone in here, espresso, shroom. So some really good ones. So what did I get? I got 3 palettes, a lot of brushes, a little mascara, some socks, a notebook, a headband, 2 lipsticks, a little highlighter. I think that pretty much covers it, but that's a lot of stuff. If you watched my Beautylish unboxing that I just did recently, I wasn't as happy with that one. Definitely I'm happy with this one. I just felt like I got a variety of things and it made it feel like it's worth the money versus the one that I got from Beautylish didn't seem that way. So I'm super, super happy with what Dana picked for me. And like I said, I will put her information down below for you, her Instagram, and definitely I'll put her Facebook page down for you. And if you happen to go and visit one of her lives, tell her that Jennifer Martinez said hi. Usually she does all of the makeup stuff, like the bids and the claims and stuff. She does that at night. She's actually a full-time teacher. She's been teaching special ed for years and years, but she does this on the side and she loves it and people love her. So check her out. It's fun. It's fun to see what people say. It's fun to see what she puts in bundles. I think you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.